SMTP email. Error 431, 432. How to resolve. Solved. Warmy blog. SMTP email errors 431 and 432 often stem from server bandwidth limitations and email storage caps, which can significantly disrupt communication in both personal and professional settings. Error 431 typically appears when there is insufficient storage on the recipient's email server, which may temporarily hinder the server's ability to accept new emails, especially during high traffic periods. Error 432 occurs when the recipient's mailbox is at full capacity, a common issue when large attachments are not deleted regularly in both personal and business email accounts. These errors may also arise from server overload, where the server is temporarily overwhelmed by excessive demands or concurrent requests. Inadequate email management, such as failing to archive old emails or expand server capacity in response to increased demands, often leads to these errors, particularly in organizations with lax email usage policies. Transient issues like software glitches, hardware failures, or disruptions during server maintenance can also manifest as SMTP errors 431 and 432. To resolve these issues, it's essential to address the underlying causes related to server and mailbox storage. Detailed guides are available for popular email services like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo to help troubleshoot and resolve these errors. Using Warmy.io helps resolve SMTP issues like 431 and 432 errors by gradually increasing email sends, improving delivery, and building a good sender reputation with ISPs. Warmy.io offers additional support by providing access to email deliverability experts. This can be especially beneficial for businesses that rely heavily on email communication. Email communication is crucial for business, and resolving SMTP issues like 431 and 432 is essential. Services like Warmy.io ensure email health and improve deliverability. Remember to hit like and subscribe before you leave. We appreciate your support.